Benny Digital Chief Furu Officer Rigged AI here. We had the most weird shit sandwich 0 DTE day we've ever seen. Volume was decent. It ended up trailing off at the end of the day. But I mean, look at this thing. You open right here, okay? 484. We go up one strike right here. And then really from 10:30 until 13:30 right here, you're just staying right at this 484 strike, right at the open price. And you get one move down lower, one strike lower. You get higher, lower, and then it just chops the whole day. I mean, when you see it looking like this, it's not really something worth trading. Well, at the same time, if you follow basic rigged AI strategy, which is bears above the blue, bulls below it, you were able to get this one, you're able to get this one, and we'll talk about this manic, crazy stuff here at the end. Personally, I don't really like buying bears above. It's like betting the under. You're betting on the market to go down. And what fun is that? But I mean, this is a great trade. 147% that you're getting right to here, okay? But this was the first trade that I took today, and you're getting a bull bomb, PS minus 2.84. It's a bull below the blue, quick move up, and bounced out. It was a little more than, I think, 20% profit on that trade that we'll show right here. In and out, just because the price action, when it doesn't blow through, right? So we come from here and we go up to 44. When it doesn't rip through that, especially at this time in the day, I'm like, oh, it's coming back down. So here, I mean, one, look at this. This is crazy. The app is not really designed to be able to deal with so many alerts in such a short period of time. I looked at the underlying. It's very unique. Someone was like buying the 474 call and selling the 480 call. Weird. And the view here is like, one, you can spend all the time you want trying to figure out how or why the market works. Or two, which is preferred, follow basic rigged AI strategy. And what does that mean? It means bulls below and bears above. So we don't really care about the underlying. All we know is there's a lot of bullish activity and it's happening below the blue line. So if we're looking at these swings here and scroll down, check these things out. 1506, 1506. Yeah, so 1506, 1507, two alerts back to back. The bull swing at 1506, you get 104%. 22 minutes, no drawdown. The one right after, 87%. Now these ended up not being super profitable, but you were able to get it right then and there. Because why? Bulls below. Then when we move later in the session, what do we get? This thing ends up closing lower, but you get bears above. And now this is like a very risky trade, right? Because at the end of the day, especially what we've seen so far this year to date, we've just ripped up. But that didn't happen today, okay? So if we switch these back, I mean, let's look at these trades. You get the first one that comes in, bear swing. Check out the swing video. It's a swing in volatility. I mean, these are killer trades. So at 1528, all these alerts come in. The Robinhood kill time. And then we just move down from there. So, I mean, if you're just trading the bear swing, the bear bomb, and the other bear bomb, you bought it. You did nothing. You held until the end of the day. Diamond hands, baby. 97%, 126, and 79.12. Right? because you're buying a bear above. This one right here, it comes in, you wait for that thing to go above 484, slam it again. I mean, really, really weird session. I mean, volume was okay. I mean, you can see it through the white line here. Comes down during the day. But, I mean, super zero DTE. One up, one down. But you were able to pull 100% off trade right here and right here at the end of the day with really no drawdown on the way. And the bear at the top, you're holding that till the end of the session, 100% gain. You know, this trade a little bit harder, even though it goes for 147, because you kind of got it. Is it going up? You know, and then it comes down. Love this one. Wish we got the move higher, back to 485 there, but there's nothing wrong with getting in and getting out. Overall, weird session, but if you followed the rigged AI rules strictly, still made money.